Now recently I did a video on this, the Sandero Stepway. I've put a link up in the corner up there so you can see that video. And in that video I explained about these roof bars and how they were very novel and unique to this car specifically. And in this video I'm going to show you why. Now to turn the roof bars from their vertical position to their horizontal position only requires one tool, like this here, which is just a hex key which comes supplied with the car. And all you have to do is, under these little black caps here, you'll see there's a hex screw, and all you do is you undo that, and it's the same on each corner. Once you've removed all the screws, then you can just lift it straight off. And then it's as simple as just putting them straight back on in the right place. Now you'll notice on here that there is this little diagram to show you the way that the bars should be facing. And it's important you do this so it stops wind noise coming through into the cabin when you're driving the car. So, we'll do, just line it up, pop the covers off. And we just put the bolts back in. It's worth noting that I always recommend that you just finger tight just while you're lining up, just so that you know you've got it straight. And there we go. So I'm now happy that they are all in the right place, and then we'll just tighten them down. Made it simple as that. Car's now ready to put a roof box on. If you like this tutorial video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click that bell icon so you never miss an upload. And if there's anything else you'd like to see, mention it in the comments below. Many thanks.